Managing Amazon PPC campaigns manually takes too much time and often might lead to missed optimization opportunities. In this video, you will learn how AI, or artificial intelligence powered advertising, compares against the traditional manual management and whether optimization can optimize your campaigns more efficiently. Our guest today is Lex from Autron, which is AI-powered advertising optimization automation tool. And if you want to try Autron for yourself, you'll find the link below in the description. Hello, Lex. It's nice to have you here. I know we'll be talking about AI versus traditional manual advertising management for Amazon sellers. But before we go into the content, could you please introduce yourself a little bit and what company do you represent?
Sure. My name is Lex. I'm a Dutch living in Singapore for the past 4 years. My role is a chief growth officer at Autron. Autron is a PPC management tool called Autron, the anti-agency agency, because we are distinctly different from any partner anybody else has worked with thus far. What else can I tell you? We are an AI optimized algorithm as opposed to people clicking buttons in your Amazon advertising console.
Yeah, you invited us to talk about AI versus traditional PPC management. I know you have some slides prepared, so let's dive into your content and see what you have to say.
Sure. Before setting the scene, before telling why AI is and is already and will in the future further diminish the utility of the manual advertising manager, just a little bit more about Autron and the background of it. So Autron, the algorithm itself is formed by Julian. Julian is our co-founder and CTO and Amazon seller himself. He's a PhD machine learning graduate from Cambridge University. And as a seller himself, I realized, hey, this is quite tedious and quite a lot of work. I can probably automate this. And that's the inception of Autron. It was then given to some other people for free to test out if it worked for them as well. And it did. So we realized, hey, there's a business here. We can help a lot of people. So let's start building out the Autron, the brand. So what do? We transform Amazon advertising agency because we are not an agency. We focus on algorithm-driven solutions. So we do not have people clicking buttons in your Amazon console. We charge on ad sales, not on ad spend. So instead of having an account manager spending your money, you have a tool generating sales, and that's what we get paid for. So I think that's Autron, the anti-agency agency in a nutshell. So what do? Why do we do this in the first place? Now, obviously, traditional agencies have a few, let's call them challenges. How much can a human actually work per day on your campaign, especially if there's multiple clients? So instead of leaning into an agency model where you have a limited human capacity for making all of these manual time-consuming optimizations or data analysis before even making the optimization, we say, hey, we need to do that differently. Obviously, humans can be overwhelmed by big data sets, and I'm not perfect either. I also make decisions that I think are fully based on data, but there's always this human underlying unconscious bias in there that actually drives my real decision making. So humans are in that sense flawed. We don't have enough time to manage one account effectively, let alone 10 or 15. And then there's the other challenge of that the client has with the agency. The client is spending money with the agency for the agency spending the money. There's no guarantee of aligned incentives. That's one of the issues the client has. Obviously, it's a very high cost of having an employee that you need to earn back from the client. And for the agency model to be running effectively, you want to have as few people as possible doing as many things as possible, right? You want to have 3 account managers managing 100 accounts instead of 100 account managers managing 100 accounts. It's not good for business. And that means that the level of quality that you as a client get is also getting less and less over time. So keeping that in mind, that those are the challenges of traditional agencies, what do we then do differently? We say, hey, we're going to lean into AI. AI can process all of that data literally in a heartbeat. It makes real-time decisions not based on the emotions that are serving our underlying biases. No, just literally on, hey, here's the latest data from Amazon, and then decision is made. Then there's no guy going into your account, manually clicking buttons, optimizing campaigns. No, this will all be done automatically. We don't need to have an account manager that is talented in a certain industry, because the AI will just see the underlying data patterns and decide based on that. It will improve and learn over time. And every decision is basically based on your goal. Do you want a maximize sales or maximize your profit? Now, because the AI is so distinctly different from the human, just want to put it out here very simply. Like, what are the real differences? Now, if you compare on efficiency, the traditional agency, they give you time-consuming weekly meetings, and you might have questions after or for. But again, it doesn't serve the agency, because their money is not made by sitting in that meeting. Their money is made by getting a new client, so that they need to serve and get a new meeting on their books. So instead of that, we just have an AI. It's just nothing else than working for you 24/7. Simple as that. The real-time optimization that humans cannot match, right? Data comes in from Amazon, instantly analysis is done, instantly optimizations are made. Whereas in the traditional agencies, humans are going to look at it, maybe even talk about it, maybe even missing out on opportunities already. And don't forget, there's already tons of AI tools running in Amazon. Now, I'd be a fool to think that me as a human could compete with a competitor that has a tool that works 24/7 for them. Now, obviously, we don't, because we need to sleep, we need to eat, and we need to do fun stuff. So we are already losing our edge just when we look at our capacity. Now, cost effectiveness, as I mentioned, right, we get paid on ad sales, not on ad spend. Whereas in agencies, sometimes when you want to have a certain feature, you need to buy the entire bundle, or all of a sudden there's this additional charge coming in on your invoice or something that you didn't realize. We don't do that. And lastly, for us, for Autron, it's a tool. It's an algorithmic skills across products, marketplaces, and categories. Whereas humans, they actually need to have somebody who knows the ins and outs of the Mexican market or the Canadian market or whatever. Whereas a tool will just understand the underlying patterns, and doesn't need to hire anybody else, and therefore charge extra money to the client anyway. So I think those are the key differences between the human and the machine. Yeah, we did come to that age where human versus machine has become a thing. So in a nutshell, what does Autron do? It optimizes your ads 24/7. It automates your keyword expansion, as well as your negative keywords, your day parting, etc. That's all just bread and butter for this machine. It looks at, and you look at, how you're performing against your competitors, how you perform versus the market leader, the market median, and the market average. We scale across marketplaces and products. Whether you are with us as a small seller with one ASIN that does very well, or 10,000 in all different Amazon regions, you pay the same. You still pay your one price model of $99 a month, and your percentage of your ad sales. So for us, it's just about transparency, about making it easy to have the client win. Because when the client wins, we win. And that's what we want. We want to both win, as opposed to, being too expensive and outprice ourselves versus for the small guy, because the small guy also deserves to win. Now, AI, I mean, obviously, since the whole ChatGPT thing, it's become less of a novelty. But there's still a bunch of questions that people usually have when they come to us. And far and foremost is, how quickly will AI optimize my campaigns? What happens when you link your account to Autron is Autron will look into your past 90 days of data and decide what is working and what is not working based on the goal that you set. Now, the stuff that's working, obviously going to continue that. There's no need to radically change there. It will optimize it. Stuff that doesn't work, he will cut it. It will not be in your account any longer because it's not aligned with the goal that you had. And it will then start understanding, based on the data it has and the information it is getting by doing the new bids, what works for your category and for your product and for your brand. Now, that usually takes somewhere between 30 to 60 days. It really depends on how much data you already have in your account for the tool to come up with a good algorithm for your specific account. So 30 to 60 days. After 60 days, usually you are very close or on your goal already. Do you still control the campaign with Autron? Now, our philosophy is the less human impact, the better. Because humans, as I mentioned earlier, we make our decisions based on what we say is our data analysis, but have underlying biases. Humans are too slow to action. So the more we do as a human, the more it interferes with the machine learning. And the more it interferes with the machine learning, the less effective the AI. So we advise sellers to almost set and forget. We do want you to look at it. We do want you to audit it because we also want feedback. And if you say something is bad, and we want to know so that we can tweak the algorithm and make it better, not just for you, but for everyone. So no control, but please do have a look and let us know if you think we can improve somewhere. Lastly, can AI replace human intuition in PPC management? Well, yes, because human intuition is a feeling, and our philosophy is the less human involvement, probably the better. Autron analyzes millions and millions and millions of bits of data every second, and that's why we create more than 30 million campaigns weekly. So yeah, will it replace? I think it has replaced it already. There's a bunch of small AI tools and big AI tools fighting each other in the Amazon marketplace. And I don't think there's any room for intuition anymore on PPC, because if your competitors are becoming data driven, you need to become data driven. Otherwise, you are, going upstream and fighting the machine, which will ultimately replace you anyway. So I think those are the key questions we usually get when it comes to switching to an AI solution.
Actually, I have another question. Don't you think there is still some aspect in Amazon advertising management where a human would make a better decision than AI? I'm not a specialist in Amazon PPC, but maybe there is something where still human can do it better.
I think humans are much better at creating appealing creatives. So definitely for videos and visuals, I think we shouldn't lean into tools creating this so much, because I think the purpose of videos and creatives is to evoke an emotion. Machine doesn't have emotion. You can prompt it as well as you want, but it doesn't have emotion. So I think that is something humans are definitely better at. But when it comes to analyzing large amounts of data or working around the clock, humans are not made for that.
All right. And let's say after watching this video, someone who is using manual management, maybe themselves in house, maybe they are using an agency, but maybe they are hesitating to switch to AI powered software. Do you see some, I know, misconceptions or some false beliefs Amazon sellers have when they consider switching to AI and something is stopping them?
Yeah, I think there's misconceptions on both sides of it. Some people think AI will solve what are problems. If you have a product that cannot be sold and it can't be sold by anyone, then the problem is unlikely to be the agency or your skills. Your problem is the product. So I think AI won't solve that. Your product is the problem. Um, so that's one big misconception when moving over to the magical AI thing. The other big one would be now that it's AI, I don't have to do anything. Yes, we do promote it to be a hands-off solution. We don't want you to be involved in the management of it, but we do want you to look at it because you know your business better than anybody else, and we're not running your business. So if you see things that you think are important to your business, you need to be on top of that. It's not going to be a solution that runs your business and you can just lay on the beach sipping your margarita. No, unfortunately, it's still your business and you still need to be involved. I think those are two misconceptions. Another one is, and I think that's my favorite, is that when I scroll the Reddit threads, there is a lot of resistance against adoption of AR. And I don't think that is entirely fair. I do think that there are tools out there that are equally better or worse. But ultimately, the opinion of one guy on Reddit or two or three that come in and say it's not ready, it's not good. I mean, is it the AI, or is it the product, or is it the goals that the user ultimately set? So is AI ready? It absolutely is. In fact, it's already there, and it's probably used by your competitor, and it might be hurting your sales. So you either get on board with it, or you don't, because of some reason, but it will take over at some point.
All right. And in terms of the cost, I know your tool's cost is at the moment $99 plus ad sales percentage from the ad sales. And in comparison, what are the like kind of standard or usual fees of the agency which is working, let's say, manually? I'm sure they are using some kind of tools as well. But anyway, they have kind of hands-on manager. What are, like, in comparison, what are the fees at their places?
Well, the thing is, you won't see those fees on the bills. And that's because you get an advertising solution. And that includes the coffee that the guy drinks with his colleague in the morning. That includes the time there is spent having a chat about the weekend. All those hours are actually billed to you. They're just not being shown in your invoice that way. Whereas we just say there's one thing. There's just a pro package. These are the features, and it costs you $99. And that's one of the things, right? That's why we want to have your data being auditable 24/7 by you. That is why you always have your data, because we believe in transparency and just ease. And that's not something that you get at a general agency. You don't get your data all the time, unless you go and look for it yourself in your Amazon advertising console in that wildly user-friendly tool. So yeah, I think that's the thing you don't see actually in the invoice.
All right. Yeah, great. Thanks for this, for these ideas. And yeah, can you remind us, yeah, one more time, Autron, how do you serve Amazon sellers with your tool, and how do you save their time?
Awesome. Yeah. So Autron, the anti-agency, how do we serve Amazon sellers? We automate and optimize all of your PPC campaigns across all marketplaces and all sponsored products, brands, and display ads, for only $99 a month, while not being paid for spending your money, but for making your money. That's how we help Amazon sellers.
And I like when you say anti-agency. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes. All right. Thank you very much. And those who want to try Autron for yourself, you'll find the link below and a special offer from them, from the company, for you watching this video. So check this out. And thank you, Lex, and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Augustas. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
I hope this video inspires you to automate your Amazon advertising campaigns using AI-powered tools. One of them can be Autron, and I hope it will save your time and money. And of course, if you want to try Autron for yourself, check the link below in the video description. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support our work. And now I recommend you to watch another video where you will see how Autron AI-powered automation works and how to start using it. So check this out.